Check out these glasses, aren't they gorgeous? But little do you know, right now, as I sit here speaking to you, I'm listening to some music. And more than 99% protection from UVA and UVB rays, clear vision without distortion, close to mineral glass level clarity. How very cool. Oh yeah, nice box, charging box with a USB-C connector there. And then a simple LED to indicate, I'm guessing, charging and charging level. Oh, they've got a sort of, I'm not sure if you can see this, they've got a sort of, well, a tortoise shell, like an old school tortoise shell vibe going on, which I really like. They are gorgeous. I love the little fabric tab and the old school kind of cream plastic, which looks a little bit like a Bakelite vibe. The material inset. Watch quick video, activate Fauna, enjoy. Well, we'll give the video a miss. I'm just going to get onto them. Can you see? Now, that's interesting. There, where my finger is, there's blue. Can you see that? This says to me that these lenses are filtering blue light, which means that they are blue light protective for late at night when you're looking to get your brain into a kind of nighttime sleep mode. Glasses like this are great because they remove the harsh blueness out of electronic devices. Let's take them out. Look at the charging pins, isn't that gorgeous? So cool. Nice weight to them, but not too much. Oh, look at that. Super elegant. So look, these are the charging points there. See that? Whack into the box. Assuming this box was charged or plugged into the mains, they've now started to charge. Look. What do you think? Yeah, they look good. I'm not one of these social media peeps that looks at themselves while they're filming, except in this instance because I want to see what they look like. So yeah, they look good. Okay, I'm just going to see if I can pair them. Hang on. Did you hear that? Fauna, that's what she said, that's clearly how you pronounce it, is pairing. So I need to get the app and then we'll meet in the middle. This is what they call the U-Sound MEMS speaker. There's two of those either side. Look, there's one over there as well, just there. And if I turn them over, on top, that's the woofer. There's one again on each side. And there's the microphone. Not very easy to see, but it's round about there. Okay. This is the left-hand side of the glasses. For various reasons, it's easier for me to show you them off my head, but I want to show you the touch interface. 2 taps, and the music starts to play. 2 taps again, and it stops. Double tap. And then if I slide forward, that will turn the volume down. If I slide back, that turns the volume up. That double tap, as well as stopping and starting the music, also accepts and rejects calls. There's also a tap and hold for 4 seconds that declines a call or skips to the next song. So this is the right-hand side, and similarly a double tap here. This will initiate the voice assistant, or if you tap and hold, that's how I paired it. You saw that at the start of this little micro review. So this is really interesting. I'm just chilling out in my favourite chair. I've got my glasses on, it's a nice day, and I'm listening to music. And I'm not going to pretend that the sound performance is anything like some of the premium headphones that as a technology reviewer I have access to. It's a much more reduced sound than you would expect from, quality in-ears or external cans, but the sound is good. And if you're out and about, if you're on your I don't know, your electric skateboard, if you're out walking the dog, if you're on the beach, if you're going for a jog perhaps. I can't see why they wouldn't work in a jogging situation. I reckon the sound is perfectly adequate. It's a nice airy sound. It's not got an awful lot of bass. It's more mid and a bit toppy in terms of describing the sound, but it's not shrill. You could listen to an audiobook on this very efficiently. I like the concept of, I think they call them whistles on the app, where you get to set reminders like to hydrate regularly or to get up and move about. Indeed, you can actually design your own whistles. There's a kind of community that they're encouraging users to get into and be part of. So, yeah, there's a really interesting concept here. I'm impressed, and I'm impressed because they function well and they look really good, and the build quality is exceptionally good. There's something about eyewear when it's done well that is tantamount to jewelry, and honestly, they hit the mark. And along with that, the case, the charging mechanism, it's all pleasurable, it's all good quality, it's very rewarding from a tactile point of view. So that combined with the eyewear, the Carl Zeiss lens, the blue light filtering, health benefits, filtering UVs and all the rest of it, really cool, like a really nice offering. And I think, you know, if you bought these for someone, they would be hugely appreciative.